Ever wondered why some people seem to amass wealth effortlessly while others struggle? What if we told that getting rich is easier than you think? Stay tuned because in this video, we're revealing 7 powerful reasons why building wealth is within your reach. Number 1. The power of compound interest. Imagine your money growing effortlessly while you sleep. This is the magic of compound interest, where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. Consider the story of Ronald Reed, a janitor and gas station attendant from Vermont. Despite his modest income, Reed managed to amass over $8 million by the time he passed away. How did he do it? By consistently investing small amounts of money in quality stocks over several decades. Reed's secret weapon was compound interest. Each year, his investments grew not just by the interest of dividends they earned, but by the interest on those earnings as well. The snowball effect allowed his wealth to grow exponentially. If you start investing early and remain consistent, even small contributions can lead to significant wealth. Another compelling example is that of Warren Buffett, who often cites compound interest as a key factor in his success. Buffett began investing at the age of 11, and his wealth continued to grow year after year, largely due to the power of compounding. By harnessing this principle, you too can build substantial wealth over time, turning modest savings into a fortune. If you're enjoying this video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Number 2. Leveraging technology. Imagine having the world's financial knowledge at your fingertips, available anytime, anywhere. Today, technology has made this a reality, democratizing access to investment opportunities. Take the story of Chris Rennie, a regular guy who used online resources to learn about investing, starting with a modest salary. Rennie turns to the internet to educate himself on financial strategies and investment principles. He used apps like Robinhood to start investing with just a few dollars, buying stocks and ETFs with ease. Rennie's journey is a testament to the power of leveraging technology. He tracked his expenses with budgeting apps, reading financial blogs, and participated in online forums to gain insights. Over time, his smart tech-assisted investments grew, allowing him to retire at the age of 37 with over $1 million. Another example is how people use platforms like Acrons, which run everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest to spare change. This effortless approach helps individuals build an investment portfolio without even noticing. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The tools have never been more powerful. By utilizing these technological advancements, you can take control of your financial future and start building wealth today. Number 3. The gig economy. Imagine turning your free time into a money-making machine. That's exactly what the gig economy allows. Take the story of Ryan Robinson, who started freelancing on the side while holding down a full-time job. Initially, Ryan took on small writing gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. He dedicated evenings and weekends to building his portfolio and client base. Within 3 years, his side hustle was generating 6 figures annually, far surpassing his day job income. Robinson's success isn't unique. Many individuals are leveraging gig economy platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and TaskRabbit to generate additional income. For instance, consider Sarah, a school teacher who used Airbnb to rent out a spare room in her house. The extra income she earns from hosting guests helps her pay off student loans and save for future investments. The gig economy offers flexibility and the opportunity to monetize skills and assets you already have. Whether it's driving a car, renting out a space, or offering professional services, the possibilities are vast. This additional income stream can significantly accelerate your journey to financial freedom, proving that with a bit of creativity and effort, getting rich is easier than you think. Number 4, real estate opportunities. Imagine turning a single property investment into a lucrative portfolio. This is exactly what Brendan Turner did. Starting with this little money, Turner purchased his first rental property, a small duplex. He meticulously managed the property, reinvesting the rental income into new investments. Through strategic buying, selling, and flipping, he expanded his holdings into a multi-million-dollar real estate empire. Turner's story is a prime example of how real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Another case is Barbara Corcoran, who borrowed $1,000 to start a real estate business in New York City. She faced numerous challenges, but leveraged her investments wisely, turning that initial small loan into the Corcoran Group, a leading real estate firm that she sold for $66 million. The beauty of real estate lies in its versatility. You can earn from rental income, property appreciation, and even tax benefits. Platforms like Zillow and Redfin make market research and property management easier than ever. Real estate investment trusts provide investment opportunities in real estate without the need to own physical property. By understanding market trends and using leverage wisely, real estate can provide steady income and significant long-term gains, making it an accessible path to wealth for many. Number 5, financial literacy. Imagine being handed a roadmap to wealth, knowing exactly where to go and how to get there. This is the power of financial literacy. Consider the story of Tony Robbins, a world-renowned motivational speaker who emphasizes financial education in his book, Money, Master the Game. Robbins didn't start wealthy. He grew up in a struggling household. However, by learning from financial experts and applying their strategies, he built a substantial fortune. Robbins shares insights from legends like Ray Dalio and Warren Buffett, illustrating how understanding financial concepts can transform lives. Another powerful example is the story of Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Kiyosaki learned contrasting financial principles from his two dads, one rich, one poor. By adopting the rich dad's strategies such as investing in assets and minimizing liabilities, Kiyosaki achieved financial independence. Financial literacy involves understanding budgeting, investing, and managing debt. It empowers you to make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and seize opportunities. Tools like Mint and You Need a Budget simplify managing your finances, while books, online courses, and podcasts provide valuable knowledge. By committing to ongoing financial education, you can navigate the path to wealth with confidence and precision, turning knowledge into financial power. Number 6, networking and mentorship. Imagine having a team of successful individuals guiding you, sharing their secrets to success. This is the power of networking and mentorship. Take Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Blakely started her company with $5,000 in savings and an idea for a new type of hosiery. She faced numerous challenges, but her network of mentors, including her parents and other entrepreneurs, provided invaluable advice and support. Today, Spanx is a billion-dollar company, and Blakely credits much of her success to the mentorship she received. Another compelling example is Mark Zuckerberg, who benefited from the mentorship of Steve Jobs. Jobs shares insights on leadership and innovation that helped Zuckerberg navigate Facebook's rapid growth. This relationship was instrumental in shaping Zuckerberg's vision and management style. Networking can also open doors to new opportunities. For instance, entrepreneur Tim Ferriss emphasized the importance of building a strong network in his book, Tools of Titans. Ferriss leveraged his connections to gain insights and opportunities that propelled his career forward. By surrounding yourself with successful, knowledgeable individuals, you gain access to their experiences, insights, and support. This can accelerate your journey to wealth, providing guidance and opportunities that you might not find your own. Number 7. Entrepreneurial mindset. Imagine seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, turning ideas into successful ventures. This is the essence of an entrepreneurial mindset. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, exemplifies this. Starting with a small student magazine, Branson's willingness to take risks and his innovative approach led him to create a diverse empire spanning aliens, music, and space travel. His mindset of embracing challenges and continually seeking new opportunities has been key to his success. Another inspiring story is that of Elon Musk. From his early ventures like Zip2 and PayPal to groundbreaking companies like Tesla and SpaceX, Musk's entrepreneurial mindset drives him to push boundaries and pursue ambitious goals. His focus on solving big problems and his resilience in the face of setbacks have revolutionized industries and amassed significant wealth. Adopting an entrepreneurial mindset involves being proactive, embracing failure as a learning experience, and continually seeking ways to improve and elevate. It encourages you to take calculated risks and view setbacks as stepping stones to success. By cultivating this mindset, you can unlock new avenues for wealth creation, turning your passions and ideas into profitable enterprises, just like Branson and Musk. In conclusion, getting rich is easier than you think when you understand and leverage these 7 powerful strategies. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.